Hi everyone, my name is Margie Higuchi from Scrapbook Adhesive by 3L, and I am so excited to introduce our 2021 new releases. I have 3 different foam rolls of foam tape. We had introduced 108 feet of white. We're introducing that in black. We also are introducing a 54 feet of black and white. These are your regular thickness of 2 millimeters. Whereas this 108 feet is of 1 millimeter thickness. So think of it as our thin 3D foam squares. Next up, we have the 3D foam circle frames. They come in black and white. They are of 2 millimeters, so regular depth. And what they have are these rings that are 13 rings nested together in 2 sheets. So you'll have 26 rings. You can do different kinds of things with them. You can make them as shakers, or you can decorate them with glitter, embossing powder, and heat them because they are heat resistant, so they will keep their shape, and foil. So it'll be a nice embellishment. If you cut them in half, you get 2 rainbows, which I understand is a trend these days. So those will be our 3D foam circle frames. Next up, we have the 3D foam micro squares. They come in 1/8 inch sizes, so they're very tiny. And what they do, or can do for you, lift up your intricate die cuts. So let me show you. So this is what you'll be able to see. If you can see that, I'm not sure if it'll pick up, but it hides very well behind those intricate dies. Another example of the micro squares is that you can embellish them with foil, glitter, so many different fun things with those. Also, my favorite is the easy runners. They come in star shapes and as well as heart shapes. They are double-sided, so you can use them as regular adhesive to put together layers, or leave them outside to make them as embellishments. So you can foil them. You can also use, again, the embossing powder with the heat tool. Lots of fun ideas. I think you'll enjoy them. Lastly, we have our Crafty Power Tape in 81 feet. This is our tear tape, perfect for your basic kit when you are doing card making. So these are our products for 2021. I hope you enjoy them. They will be out in retailers very soon. Actually, they're probably on their way to the retailers. So go ask for them at your favorite paper craft retailers. And thanks so much for your time. Bye now.